With all the new challenges that we all face every day, this holiday season will definitely feel different. But what better time to treat yourself or one of your loved ones? Here at CJ's, we love helping you out with your dream build. So this year's Doorbuster sale will allow you to get some great parts for your project and save a few bucks at the same time. We have many popular S550 Mustang parts on sale, but make sure you click the link in the description for a full list of all of our discounted parts. Now here are my top 5 Doorbuster specials for your S550 Mustang. Number 1 on the list is going to be our Celatech Smooth Gloss Black taillight panel. That's going to fit all S550 Mustangs, give the back of your Mustang a much smoother, cleaner look, and get rid of those factory emblems. Number 2 on my list is going to be this Celatech Custom Steering Wheel. This is going to fit your 2015 through 2017 Mustang, give you that race-inspired look with its black leather and carbon fiber, along with the red centering stripe. Next on the list will be these custom carbon fiber mirror covers. Carbon fiber is a great way to give your car that race-inspired look, and these are going to fit all 2015 through 2020 Mustangs without the turn signals in the mirrors. Number 4 on the list is going to be this engine cold air intake fitting your 2018 through 2020 Mustang GT. This engine intake is going to fit great, look killer under the hood, and add some horsepower as well. Number 5 will be this resonator delete pipe. This will replace the heavy factory resonator on your 2015 through 2020 Mustang GT, add some more exhaust volume, and save some weight as well. Whether this gift is for family, for friends, or even for yourself, we're here to help you get the right parts for your Mustang. And from all of us here at CJ's, happy holidays, stay safe, and thank you.